Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a PDF flipbook to Framer. To begin, open your Framer project where you want the flipbook to appear. It helps to have your PDF or flipbook link ready. If you're using a flipbook service, copy the public share URL it provides. If you're using a plain PDF, make sure it's hosted at a publicly accessible HTTPS link so Framer can load it inside the page. Inside Framer, look toward the top of the interface and click Insert. This opens a library of components you can add. In the search field, type Embed. You'll see the Embed component appear in the results. This component lets you display external content in your design, which is exactly what we need for a flipbook or hosted PDF. Click and drag the Embed component onto your canvas, placing it in the section of your layout where you want the flipbook to live. If you're working inside a frame or a grid, drop it into that container so your layout remains organized. Use the resize handles to set an initial width and height that makes sense for your content. You can always fine-tune these dimensions later for different screen sizes. Now switch over to where your PDF or flipbook is hosted and copy its link. Many flipbook tools provide a special viewer URL. That's the one you want. If you're linking directly to a PDF, ensure the link is publicly viewable and not behind a login. Otherwise, it won't render in the embed. Back in Framer, double-click the embed you just placed to focus it. Then look to the right-hand Properties panel. You'll find a field labeled URL. This is where the embed pulls content from. Paste the link into the URL field. Framer will load a live preview of the content right on the canvas. Give it a moment to render. If you don't see anything, confirm the link is correct, publicly accessible, and uses HTTPS. Some services also require that embedding is allowed in their settings. If your viewer remains blank, check your flipbook provider for an embeddable or share URL. With the content visible, adjust the size of the embed so the flipbook feels comfortable to read. For responsive layouts, consider making the width match the container and choosing a height that keeps the flip controls visible without excessive scrolling. Preview your page to confirm interactions like page turning feel smooth. And that's it. You've embedded a PDF flipbook into your Framer project using the embed component, a pasted URL, and a few simple adjustments.